Best Robot Vacuums of 2026. Today we are counting down 5 robot vacuums that can make daily floor care much easier. Most people waste money on a robot that looks powerful but misses edges, struggles with pet hair, or needs too much care. I compared these 5 based on suction, mopping, navigation, and hands-free cleaning. Number 2 offers a lot for the price, while number 1 stands out as the best overall choice. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 Pro Omni is built for people who want strong cleaning with less daily work. Its biggest strength is the mix of vacuuming and mopping features. 22,000 Pascal blast suction gives this robot strong cleaning power for dust, crumbs, and daily floor debris. It also supports carpet cleaning with an automatic mop shield. This helps keep rugs dry when the robot moves between hard floors and carpet. Focus Jet Pre-Spray is another useful feature. You can target dirty areas through the app, and the robot can pre-spray sticky spots before scrubbing them. That could be helpful around kitchen areas where dried spills are common. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 Pro Omni is a feature-packed choice for larger homes. However, its higher price may not suit shoppers who want a simple robot for basic daily cleaning. It makes more sense for someone who values advanced mopping and automated maintenance. Number 4. Tikom L8000 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Tikom L8000 Plus is a more affordable option for shoppers who still want smart navigation and hands-free cleaning. It combines vacuuming, mopping, mapping, and automatic emptying in one system. 6,000 Pascal ultra-strong suction helps collect dust, pet hair, and dirt from hard floors and carpets. The robot can increase suction when it detects carpet, which can help with deeper debris. 3-liter self-emptying dust bag is useful for busy homes. According to the supplied product information, it can hold weeks of debris and support up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning. That means less time spent emptying the robot. At its listed price, the Tikom L8000 Plus is appealing for buyers who want smart features without moving into the higher price range. Its suction is lower than several models higher on this list, but its overall feature mix makes it a strong value pick. Number 3. Dreame L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Dreame L40S Ultra sits in the middle of this list because it offers powerful cleaning and useful automated features at a competitive price. 19,000 Pascal Vormax suction is designed to pick up both fine dust and larger debris. The supplied information also says its high-speed motor is designed to keep cleaning quieter, which may be useful when the robot runs while people are home. Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush helps deal with hair and reduces the need for manual brush cleaning. This can be especially useful in homes where hair and pet hair collect quickly. The main reason it does not take the top spot is that another Dreame model offers even higher suction and strong corner cleaning. Still, the L40S Ultra is a well-balanced option for shoppers who want powerful cleaning and reduced maintenance. Number 2. Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 is one of the strongest choices in this group. It combines high suction power, advanced mopping, and automated maintenance at a price that makes it especially interesting for shoppers who want premium features without paying the highest price. 25,000 Pascal suction power gives this model the highest stated suction figure in the supplied product list. It has 5 suction levels, so users can adjust cleaning power based on the floor and mess. Extendable side brush and mop helps the robot reach corners and areas near furniture. This is important because many robot vacuums can clean the center of a room well, but struggle along edges. I would recommend this model for someone who wants maximum suction and strong corner cleaning. It is also a good choice for buyers who want a premium robot without moving to the highest price in this lineup. Number 1. 3i-P10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The 3i-P10 Ultra is my top overall pick because it combines strong cleaning, advanced mopping, and hands-free maintenance at a very competitive listed price. 18,000 Pascal suction gives the P10 Ultra plenty of cleaning power for daily dirt and debris across multiple floor types. It also uses LiDAR navigation, which helps the robot understand the space and move around the home. Auto extending edge mopping is one of the features that makes this model stand out. One mop can extend toward edges, helping clean areas that standard round robot vacuums often leave behind. 140-degree Fahrenheit hot water self-cleaning helps maintain the mop system after cleaning. The station can also dry the mop with hot air, clean the base tray, add cleaning solution, and empty the robot automatically. The supplied information says the system can provide hands-free emptying for up to 70 days. What really pushes it into the #1 spot is the balance. The Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 has higher stated suction, but the P10 Ultra offers excellent automation, edge mopping, hot water cleaning, and a lower listed price. For someone who wants a complete robot vacuum and mop without spending close to $900, this is the model I would choose. Final verdict. After comparing all 5, the 3i P10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is my best overall pick. It offers strong suction, excellent edge mopping, hot water mop cleaning, LiDAR navigation, and a highly automated station at a very competitive listed price. For a budget-friendly choice, the Tikom L8000 Plus is worth considering. It gives you strong daily cleaning, LiDAR mapping, and a large self-emptying dust bag without the premium price. If you want higher suction, the Dreame L40 Ultra Gen 2 is another excellent option. Check the links in the description for current prices and more details on each robot vacuum before making your choice.